Welcome to the graffiti jungle. Paolo Pulingue. Benvenuti nella giungla di graffiti. Questo è Impastore Rockstar. Episodio 32. It's the fake Rockstar chat show. Episode 32. Shout out to my co-host and Doggy Heaven Bailey. Podcast. Sweet Cigar. Cigar Talk Podcast. Questo è soggetto 202. Questo è soggetto 202. Subject 202. Today's date, March 12, 2026. Package successfully retrieved at 4:33. It was delivered at 4:08. Project Xtnctn Rough Patch. World War III. Project Xtnctn Bucket Hat. Me and Bailey would have had matching bandanas. Her birthday on St. Patrick's Day. She would have been 6 years old this year. Highly anticipated unboxing. This is the one. This is my most stressful one. This is my most anticipated one for me. See, got other quotes in here. The people who built that heaven on your land is telling you yours is in the sky. They said you shouldn't eat in the same place. And she throwing it at me. I might catch it. I mean, you're not supposed to eat in the same place, but fish do it every day. All right, first one up. All right. First one up. First one up is this one's the Chief Gihareh Ruff patch. So I need it. The first patch has the logo. The first patch has the logo. So, yeah, all right. Has Chief Gihareh. Project Xtnctn. You know the 5 stars he playing Grand Theft Auto. Got the barcode up there. Cool. All right, so that's clean. That's clean. If I was nitpicking, you'll see the fake Rockstar again. You'll see that barcode again. But other than that, that's clean. That's clean. All right. The main thing. Let's keep the main thing the main thing. Let's do this. Let's see how good this looks. Here we go. It's the Graffiti Jungle boxy football jersey. It's the Graffiti Jungle boxy football jersey. It is a 2X. It is a 2X, so let's see what it's doing. This the unhinged box. This the unhinged Barbie jersey. This the unhinged Barbie jersey. Well, all of them unhinged, but this the mashup. Okay. Let's see what it do. I can't see nothing. Let's do it. Pull up, where's your hair? It ain't bad. There it go though. That's the front. And that's the back. Let me try it on real quick. What is that? Okay. Okay. Front. Tell me the joke. Project Xtnctn Graffiti Jungle. Tell me the joke. I want to laugh too. The Black Barbie. This one. The other one says, oh, one of them. I have no reason to tell you the truth. I have a few reasons to lie to you. There's a lottery, Jane. We're gonna get close-up details afterwards. Oh, wow. That's how the fake Rockstar barcode looks. This is the unhinged. This is the. Now, I have to admit, like, of the Barbie, the unhinged Barbie memes, this one. And then you got the stressed out Barbie. You got the stressed out Barbie. And there's one more. Oh, ask me a dumb question if you want to. Signed, Chief Gihareh. But, all right, let me actually try it on now. This took too long. This took too long. I'm gonna have to wait for this to upload. We'll see. So this is actually a 2X. This is a 2X. Let's cover that part up. I'm gonna try to get some little quick visuals real quick, but at least got this Jane on.